Changing the fan speed on your vehicle's ventilation system is the job of the blower motor resistor. This simple component varies the amount of electric current that reaches the blower motor, resulting in faster or slower fan speeds. Like many electrical devices, the blower motor resistor generates a lot of heat in managing current flow. As components age, resistance builds up in the system from corrosion in the wiring connectors as well as from normal wear and contamination in the motor itself. Even a clogged cabin air filter can cause excess strain on the ventilation fan. Too much resistance can lead to the resistor or the wiring harness overheating, leaving you with an inoperable fan motor and no airflow. Dorman offers a full line of direct replacement blower motor resistors to restore the vehicle's ventilation system. For resistor connectors and wiring harnesses that have become damaged by heat, Dorman offers harness repair kits. And for many vehicles that are prone to failure of both components, many of Dorman's blower motor resistors include a harness repair kit to ensure a complete repair solution. Blower motor resistors and repair harnesses are just another example of how Dorman helps you save time and money. That's why, whenever you need an effective automotive fix, check Dorman first.